just do every city and town Ghana is here there. Because na either Prague na Sukada Juma.
Sure.
Minim. Do you think the vice president idea? Looking at nipa 13,000 kwa na Kumasi Kroma or Musu Prague na Ukada. Oko other towns and so on. So meaning we are counting about thousands and 10,000s of Ghanaians youth or Musu Prague na Sukada de Juma. Do you think that this lease policy between Abwa and be possible? And is implementable?
Yedika Mfanchama motifu nyina na mfa bi ma union mama Bantama constituency mfa bi ma aban na pamfo nyina na bifi se idea efa okada ho nse okano okan elai no enuanum NDC na omu pension regulation by say okada oma bane omu mfanye ejuma biem no tia but said you see eka asem no say you see no. I mean, there's something we call substance over form. Look at the number of people who use a friend say, Okada, a day, a year, Juma. And you know, now quite a bread and butter issue. A honor be a honor year and couple be source of livelihood. It's one who some run over is against the friends say, against the law, say, only the fire commercial or those things. But at the same time, so, you could see say independent be so enya omu sebe edidi ni omu life. That's where you get the money. You know obey kra na say oto bo say obehwe how obesia no. To be honest with you, as a member of the Road and Transport Committee, I buy a name a few times. Like I say, adunjune ani
and those stakeholders engagement now you're involved.
Yeah,
now
not the ministries.
Oh, okay, not all fine.
As members of parliament, you know. From time to time, road safety, because part of the number of people who in road accidents, like almost 2,500 people die in road accidents every year. Okada funds a portion of that contribution. You know, now you say, okay, I did a risky kunipa. The via medical situation for can who can call the Bune hospital. Kasia, almost say a batch is a biohana accident. At the same time, so. Many persons so be a juma be and ranting a juma. And you know, we are by a little bit sensitive, so we will be saying. Let me say a Kaukadana, why Spanaga could do a friend say tricycles. Yeah, I think they were talking basically about the Okada motor by Mike. No, but some guess also is so we heard a friend say a president, a vice president statement, and I think specifically also Okada. Whatever the situation is, no, your point and then they say. So are you then going to legalize at this point? You know, say almost be free banner, cabinet level, vice president, Jubilee House. You're clear about it. Say, "Sa Okada no die, nyade I be legalize. Nemum, you be encourage sa emranti any friends say woman will use sa machines no. Among other better options. I mean, the me feel say be a as we go on no." We say, Papa, they don't want to do politics.
Yeah, exactly.
But he's appealing.
Sebayakas vice president already consider legalize Okada.
Exactly. From time to time, as we engage in, because for instance, crack a simu pa na ni wisu so hwe pa crack a simu na ni wisu no risky pa, especially we be to say Accra any Kumasi crack a but okoba be to say be emphasis be better ko na na if it be a honor risk bia it has to be case by case and look at it, but the opportunity to provide people a better option no there. Yeah, MPP for we will not deny Ghanaians. We will put it up there. And I feel say conversation Papa can the president clear your position. No, you could do be say Obia sebe MPP Nyuma ye acquire first Bugana Atunutu acquire to Abuba Abonesre. Na okika bino. Yet Sani Pane Kudinichi, I can say because our officer or Pevoot in the Edi Kaso Kakrana or Becca. Na or the copy vote no. I think say yes say Sankopon ya dom nearby anya dia e be legalize. Nemum e be hwe ekwa be fa so ma leasing options aba na emranti a mu yusu Okada ina omotmenya a better option. Of course, like I said no untmenya be a blank because for instance don't forget to e mu be say I remember when I was going to school in Kintampo Secondary School. I mean, post school, I made the motor in the Befi. Okay, if you go to the north, Tamalini, the northern part of Ghana, a very important means of transport.
Exactly.
What do you make of
that?
And you know, you're not going to tell me say the president is going to the vice president is going to the north and say mo be and you should be mo magic car. So you soon be
for commercial purposes.
Exactly.
Because I'm not finding out from DVLE.
Yes.
Say so be register motorcycle.
Sure.
And as a surprise or registered as what? And I'm so registered as private.
Yes.
Obieno about DVLE. Register motorbike as commercial
exactly.
And as a private as commercial.
That option
because of the law.
Yes.
But me one, so the parent register as a private you are not the back room, not the buyer commercial.
Wouldn't say like
it will be a super gabiano and register as a private. But on the funny part,
you can more about even the motorbike. Very difficult apart from Zebia, cycle. And now Mrs. Baby or shall be no. Very, very difficult. Pass will be in the motor car. Papa the motor car offer Bernard Trenchi. Now say Papa a commercial. Okay. Issue that at the same time no ultimus idea could be a commercial no mudi eh. So it me say your position is very clear. I'm not telling about our crew or yes animal. I think say President Vice President Abba. And I think say a statement from a high level from a party, no. But I think say when it comes to the doing of it, because as a baby, I'm running to be making amendment kakra. When it comes to the doing of it, now I think the consultation this is the Papa Yiki. Are you telling me it's 13,000 people in the Santimampon Kwakake? As make appeal, say, yeah, crossing, and why am I to me the new man? We will look at exactly what we have to do, and I think the proposal will come from the executive.
Okay.
And to me, say we should leave this conversation to go. And I'm glad that they say almost they are not going to do politics with it because so Busame pa there, they were in your NDC for Zikano. Say,
no, but look at the way me Kaisam said just within this week former President Mahama Echo 1 FM station.
Sure.
In fact, Okada Raiders BCG Echo Bono say you did this more episode banamo or legalize it. Startup na vice president me can't ask me we say MPP will not legalize it. Now that is so emphatic and this issue has become a political talk.
Yeah.
Look at the way Okada Raiders a budget former President Mahama so. Now Vice President because MPP will not legalize it. Don't you think it's a cost more than good? Because alternative no dia ba no. Ebi no bi na se be traka so betwanya skakra bi e be ka se skakra beto ase and say the kind of cramo. Na ye na fa tutua ka no. Obenya bi dia ma sa nkofo sa company no.
On my painting John Dramani Mama apart from NDC4 His Excellency former president apart from say NDC4 position normally no our memu no consistently inconsistent no ubusamia meka achiro say okay kabi onye you know one come for a friend say 2008 say obe regulate and legalize illegal mining. Okay. What did they do? They liberalized it. They didn't do anything about it. Sana mukikon. Tisiano, etino. That is what is going on. Nipano. Yeni mudada. Obeka onye. Kohwe mutu 2012 manifesto. They even said they were going to pay assembly members. What happened? They didn't do it. So obe legalize, obe regulate illegal mining. Onye. Ojan wokeke. And they can't just because we vote. But the good thing is, Papa, say election we know. Nyankopa that Roma, Ghana, Abakwasemuno. This is the time I will be a worthy president da. And it will be so when you are so the 4 years. More records you beat me a compare. And some na okana maybe na saying when you are can send a platform kasi. We say sabi in your NDC4 manifesto in some kekano. I had to say sabi wakurom na watu about you. Utu about you abono nante from say utu ni wie no ekona nim no ena be kire say abono utu ni kana nanka no behwe omampanya kufu ado nyuma oye bank issues are all fixing. Now we share a Kenya minute isisui. Now we free senior high school amrante iko. Napko our deba adebo amrante mebawa. Planting for food and job. Any yaka kanina. I just say trouble ba. And I bought NDC no mukikabi.
Okay.
And to me say yes. Okay, no issue na kana. Your position you're making very clear. But that is not to say do say you be mrana. Because MPs for all constituencies, I general Ghana for no. Everybody will have opportunity to make a contribution, and we come up with the best solution for Ghanaians. But we are doing all this only in the interest of Ghanaians. And if I say, "Your mom and I also be a one and put them a babuana." Nina a part of the consultation that will happen eventually for us to Senate here. Krumgede, you say, and our commercial part in the you say, your mom a better opportunity. And you know, I think so we still have
opportunity. A member of parliament at the Mabantama constituency, and I'm watching the kind of bringing the time with 4 minutes after 8. Hi, 104.5 for number 1 Akan radio station. Also, you see a decrum some of the Bromedian Papa Nyamik and a pay MTN. So we are branching what is our quabonting. Nyame ya wadom okobede bia wa hoden we so lucky but kai say wo bia osabre bia protected no that is your mom intano pemi catch or say o pia bonte a e ma remfi so be show nose mask abre bia she na if protect your mom is so precious o me is so dear to our heart o kobade bia wa hoden but no tifie de e de no be ye intano pay misro but modia say people around you they matter most. In the Kaisa maybe able show nose mask. Obeshama o mame ashama obia washama wankasankasa wo. In the Kaisa maybe able pia bonti biano. Obeshe you wait for us, you wait for mama, and remember everywhere you go. It's 104.5 for number 1 Akan radio station. I'm paying. Style life assurance say me can trust about my so to me come baby you go so catch your same policies papa eboa e mani pass na brabo CPC tano in case of say be devastating illness be bow and I say be able to so adwuma and I say be unforeseen so occurrence be to brabo na say circumstances be bia no it's about Star Life Assurance and a person what me come baby visit any of our branches across Ghana na bomodia so be take any of our policies na to me boy ye pa no asa obani chechimudi achiro ye babo ye se bi will so adwuma wo ba me wu bibi to wa betumi aboa and then Star Life Assurance 0302 739600 0302 73 9600 visit any of our branches near more year pa Star Life your solid partner for life and pay the Digital Media Mystery School. Since I'm said the Digital Media Mystery School, or accept application and if you be a person starting the creative digital marketing business. Now, all is about digital marketing business. You remember more online marketing education, a platform design the most said the beya, digital media business. A quite fast way between you sue Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and they are making money. Now, in TCC, the courses here in be a Facebook mystery, Instagram mystery, YouTube domination, vital marketing, search engine optimization secret, and millionaires breakthrough. But when your courses are digital media mystery at the bow, but don't forget when you know a certificate at the mawa, your bow and making money. Yes, can at the same time now we see a coin fast one digital marketing. So see, I'm said you started accepting application. The so we interested that and once say we send it as interested at the WhatsApp number 024 338 2431 the 024 338 2431. But you no course, just send interested. Fako 024 338 2431 024 338 2431. What the call ya na ya jibe invite for Zoom meeting for orientation. Bakai says a bumper you be 1 month money back guarantee Sekoba se yade ne betche woni nje ho a yebetua ma usika do betua no kwa 1 month ye de a chew kwa ntimo modi na betua digital marketing sisi ya de kwa no na bibia nkwe papa emfa monabo ya mo monabo FIFA ya maponko ya former MC Joseph Job municipal na bako de
papa you who adom ene mo mpaibo ye wo
okay but we ye nim komo a quick one on this legalization of Okada. And no vice president I so emphatic. Ade abaye political talk. Obi anim say bianka bia ebeba mu no. She said almost anya ade am legalize Okada. Rather no be alternative to say bia lease casa. Ye de be ma Okada for na we twetwe de kakaka na ba ba ye wo dia. That is what the alternative MPP is saying. People are saying say the timing of this announcement, no, they be cost MPP so much. I don't know, but legalization or not legalization, you even few. Which alternative is better for Ghanaians and as Okada riders?
Papa, maminchia ono wadrum hafone watiefo.
Omoji so.
Minfenchia kasian suma minia. Honorable Chemabwadi. Papa, where I like him. In fact, tamu omo primaries no kosonya on Facebook. Na me no omo party for no bibire kuntokwa. Eti oyobia me admiring ye. In-depth knowledge about, economic issues, especially.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, me tell you.
Thank you.
But I no pay the say honorable like the vice president, Papa, wouldn't say me bay. Pragiane far be free. Silicon Junction wouldn't be see here. Traffic. Me baba to Pragia 4. Oh, my premises here. What does that mean? Now, in any case, the friend motor Obroni so for motorcycle, yes. But President Ibanye enubini ane dinanim. Okada no ebia wo. They are processing 42 so do. Hey, the same thing. Enna aduma omo ye na apart from employment no. Just say they are helping mankind. Now Vice President to say business is risky.
Yeah.
Now son car be here so Accra road ho. Anybody don't say anywhere.
But 14.
Nipa 14.
I didn't see
yes. Nipa 5.
Yes.
So what are we talking about? Paying to me free VM a better form. No money penna. Woman go kakakura nkanye yo. No more say. Papa. Ship since so to me sink. Afidie mo asem die. Bibia to see. Na o manya yatimu a obi aba obegu numa. Obese bibia. Enipa nya dwuma ne. I was like, Kratina Munini Kasa, he's very humble. Chairman of Okada. I like the guy. Emi asama metuno. Kana me penen more. I was like, was it in Sadan in Sayem? Was Vice President? And your bank says, I'm some no more Kikano. Woman, now one do on person by politics. I like the guy. What would you answer to do? You say, hey, Obi Obet Tantis had been Wagana. Sir, o person what this hard money dia grodo. No, o person ko da na da kadum. Anyway, so ba mu adaka mu na ka kra bi no ko dem. Oh, of course. Na e dia na betumi save nkrofo yi. Bibi ani ho. Ati papa, me say, me eni o kada nka me this time. Ana me bedu ya so so. Me ni pa bi dia ba inside ya. Me se Nana Kufu Addo ne bawumia. Abianu mu de mo se munya. Yate. Yes ye be ye. It's part and parcel of what is enshrined in this book. I and this manifesto. Manifesto. The big push. And we are going to push things. Okada has come to stay. Eti Nuruddin, Chairman, Bunyabutre, Yaba abesemu kina yeni yamamo. What is Bawumia talking about? What's it yen? The scheme be babe momukas na Bawumia dia so cancer mo. Bawumia cancer. Obia was it by so time? Obia bena bank account. You know this guy? Bawumia, Bawumuni Bawumia, Dieni. Because Ghana for Sabi Yanim the air. Would the and no one would try the Bedia Kunan was a more put to a mine. I'm a man and you pay take your war. And you pay hey. I would why I say I was one year uncle Kurubo. Papa, I don't know why for you. Now they are the first street in Uso. Now come in your chama boy the bantma. For any coffee at the now nipa painting ko nipa tie. Nobody should listen to him. Oh, why should we waste your time on Bewuya?
But he's giving a better alternative.
Papa,
honorable friend.
Oh, sir, Volkswagen, and the other one, Sinotrack. I know Mukwajiba and one more did him. I don't know, I'm not did him. Let them go for the no, but come on, when I make myself. No, so below the belt, of course, I know, and I'll hit. No, let hit you upon no, Sadia no Mukwajiba and what the Nuka said, you city. No, someone just what do you go? Oh, no, you see, you had a free day to do whatever. Now I'm here. I'm on the seat.
It's all right.
Okay, if you do so, I'm working to obey.
Mati.
Say you know Mukwajiba and Sinotrack and Volkswagen. Our person did good the local industry. And no some none about me go so kikano. Oh, Munai, Yabama Mukas, Yaba, ay. Babuya Okada for also the Obiam Pakida in Abamu cars. My God, Jesus Christ. Government institutions in Ukraine or Resson. Obu Okwamonika Bakokra. Nansa NCC. And your position, Yenya Kaya, Nanka, a dormant. But so they leave. Somebody who would say leave. A non-starter. It doesn't come in. It doesn't come in at all. The Okada people are going to work. Who's a new reading Wakasano? Gano Munasapo. Also with the class Baba Fabra. A matter of choice and affordability. Ebia or no, on to Minakan who are Kadi. One day motor now, on police for the president anymore. And when we grab pens with you, individuals be crowd, but not to do anymore. The same to know. Risk no Belmia, Casafauna. I was for the all the time. Motor riders will move. Yatam. And your woman can try government officials. Mumuni can tell Musa Mumma police. On commercial purpose. On commercial purpose. On a bottom body. Already Bibia. Namini Habamiti. What's it? This we're bread and butter.
What to know? What is so Yena? Uti radio.
Now, a new message. Of course, yeah. Uti radio.
Maybe who kadam who.
Oh,
those riders are professional riders. They are trained. They are well trained. They have.
So can I boys in my head? A minimum motor need to create a police for the training. Yes. No. I know there is not that no here. Just a police motor riders will move in time. And to admit the motor so no so kwa ultimate family say risky. What is Bamia talking about? We are going to make sure so Okada for no hey
okay first
yes and we have a trim and President Mahamakai was it that is going to be supported by what? Regulations. Nobody can stop them from working. Nobody.
But Papa,
nobody.
Let's look at it.
No. You don't come in.
Because just a quick response to
the mechanism.
Okada has come to say.
Okay.
Don't
worry. Say it by Mona what the boy say, Grandpa. Yeah, by but the point in say, Papa, you have to expand this debate just beyond Okada. NDC, then I buy as if say, Omompanyinjo Dramani Mama, or you new to us. We know him. You know, Mompanyinjo Dramama, you know.
Hedodia some nakusi.
Dabi so o come
someone
Dabi Obatmeka.
So ni mahama.
Oh, me see him no.
Ona watch up.
Ma menji we man ye
let's
NDC challenge the mama say when it come to Ashanti region a lot of developmental projects in Ashanti region more than MPP but
almost say NDC is my developmental project. In 2008, Omompanyinjo Dramani Mama in Eastern Region, no a vice president.
In 2008
yes.
or 2012?
2018. No, but that time no more campaign. No, 2008. Eastern Region. What's it? MPP for your day. Sabi infrastructure. Boy, who stuff for Henry Do. There's a more infrastructure and quantity. Say, you must die, my school, my CD, and can is an exercise in mediocrity. Minimum is a country, a seven adding who will be here to me, a crowd to me. And then, who would you know about Opa and now would you say a man to him because why are they? A mammo, Papa a mammo is bigger than just building houses.
Oh, I see.
Yes, it is bigger, and let's go in. I'm Papa and airport. And the friend will be a free. But the idea of the NDC is